Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of hiccups. There is a muscle known as the diaphragm at the base of your lungs. Imagine it like your lungs are resting on a trampoline. When it contracts suddenly spasm, there is an intake of air from your mouth that stops at your vocal cord as they snap shut, causing the hic and hiccups. They can be triggered by many factors like alcohol consumption, smoking, eating too quickly, sudden emotional outbursts, spicy food, and changes in external and internal temperature. Hiccups usually stop on their own and there is nothing serious to worry about. However, if they last for more than 2 days, there is a high probability of a latent cause. Hiccups are one of those annoying ailments that get little attention. Unless you find yourself hiccuping for hours with little or no relief, here are the best ways to get rid of hiccups quickly. Home remedy number 1. Drink from the opposite sides of a glass. Drinking from the opposite side of a glass than you usually drink from is a key method to get rid of hiccups. Fill a glass halfway with a cold water. Bend down 90 degrees and drink from the opposite side of the glass. Home remedy number 2. Hold your breath and drink. Just hold your breath and take 8 sips from a glass of water. The sip should not be too little or at a slow pace. Hold your breath. While holding your breath, take 8 sips of water from a glass. Swallow at your normal pace and do not take very small sips. Home remedy number 3. Tilt your head and swallow. It is a variation of the previous method. Take a normal sip of water. Now tilt your head backward so your gaze automatically turns upward. Plug your nose and swallow the water. Tip number 1. Paper bag. Breathe slow and deep into a paper bag for a few minutes to ease your hiccups. Tip number 2. Drink water. Quickly gulp down a glass of lukewarm water. Tip number 3. Hold your breath. Exhale all the air out of your lungs and hold your breath for 10 seconds. Tip number 4. Eating sugar or honey. Eat a spoonful of sugar or honey confuses the vagus nerve. Peanut butter will work too. The man who had hiccups for a span of 68 years is the rarest of the rare and you don't need to worry about it. However, if your hiccups are stubborn and persist for more than a day, consult your doctor to find out if there is an underlying cause. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.